In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Osu Replays into MP4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is access to your Osu Replay you created in this tool called OSR MP4. So go into Google and type OSR MP4. You should see this first link from GitHub, and all you got to do is open it up. To check if you are on the correct page, scroll down and you should see some images of the app. After you ensure that this is the app we're looking for, click on the Releases tab on the right side of the screen where it says Latest. As of today, the latest version release is 0.3, so click on it and you will be taken to this page where you can select which one you gotta install, 32-bit or 64-bit. After you download OSR MP4, the first time you open it up, it's going to ask you to select your Osu folder, so where Osu, the game, is installed, and an output folder that's going to receive the MP4s we create. After you select both folders, this prompt will go away, and you may now select a replay you created and the map. After you select both files, just click the Start button on the bottom right corner of the screen, and after the process is complete, you will find an MP4 file containing the map and replay you chose in the output folder you selected when you first opened up the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn Osu Replays into MP4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.